You always find hot messes on these type of roofs. These go to I think a couple different walk-ins. Look at that. That's a custom disconnect right there. Jesus. We're not even working on this unit. But somebody should probably put the door on it. Holy crap. I think this is the same model as that one that we're changing out, but I wonder if the customer knows that the doors are off this thing. Look at that liquid line. Custom liquid line right there, boy. It's another unit for, it's sitting on top of a walk-in. But yeah, this place has seen better days, to say the least. I don't think any of these exhausts work. As you can see, most of them have the damn caps removed. Broken, busted belts. Yikes. Here you go, Hernandez. This is, you can qualify this as electrical hazards. Yowza. Damn, look at all that. No covers, no nothing.